Want to add highly accurate professional AI subtitles to your videos in just a few clicks? In this video, we're looking at Matesub, an advanced AI-driven subtitling tool designed to take the tedious manual work out of captioning so you can focus on creating. So what is Matesub? It's a dedicated subtitling platform built for both individual creators and professional teams. Instead of spending hours typing out transcripts and manually timing them to your audio, Matesub uses its advanced Lara AI translation engine to handle the heavy lifting. The workflow is incredibly simple and broken down into 4 quick steps. First, you upload your video in any format, or if you already have a draft, you can upload an existing SRT file. Second, Matesub automatically generates and syncs the subtitles in your chosen target language. Third, you use their clean, easy-to-use editor to make any quick edits or quality assurance checks. And finally, you export your production-ready subtitles in standard SRT or VTT formats. It's that fast. What makes Matesub stand out are its advanced features wrapped in a very simplified process. It supports over 200 languages, including right-to-left scripts, minority languages, and regional variants. This makes it perfect if you're looking to localize your content for a global audience. The editor itself is designed to be highly intuitive, meaning you don't need to be a technical video editor to figure it out. Plus, it's built to support collaboration if you are working with a team. Now, let's talk about what users are saying. On their website, professional subtitle translators and creative producers highlight how straightforward the tool is, noting that it greatly speeds up deliveries on tight deadlines. However, it is important to note that independent third-party user reviews online are currently limited. While the platform's built-in testimonials are highly positive, we always recommend trying the tool yourself to see how it handles your specific video formats and audio quality. Overall, if you want a clean, fast, and highly supported language tool to handle your captions, Matesub is absolutely worth a look. You can try Matesub for free by heading over to matesub.com. Have you tried using AI for your subtitles yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one.